how to add location on Ring app. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add your location on your Ring application. For that, open your Ring application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account here. At this page, you will see no location or location option at the top of the screen. Next to it, you will see a little arrow. Click on that arrow and there you will see option add a location. Click on it. You will be directed to this page. Here you'll have to set up your location and verify your address. For that, click on this continue button below. Here you need to choose the type of location, whether it's home or business. After choosing one of these options, click on this continue below. Then you can enter your address here. Also, you can use this use my current location option and access location to the Ring application, and it will take you to this page. Here you'll have to turn on your device location. Once it detects your location, click on this use this address button below and then click on save location. It will save your location to your account, and in this way you can successfully add location on your Ring application. Now when you click on it, you will see the location that you have just added. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.